What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. I'm Quentin, and today we are up in Seneca, near Seneca Rocks and Dolly Sods, West Virginia. So today we have a couple goals in mind. We want to do some nighttime photography. I think what we're going to do is we're going to head to Dolly Sods first, check out the golden hour. It's got some really beautiful views up there, and then we are going to dive into some night photography, head down the ridge to Seneca Rocks, and then we're going to come back here to our Airbnb, which you can see right there is this treehouse. I'm gonna put the link below because this place is actually super cool, and the rate on it was like super cheap, so definitely want to show them some love. And it's just an awesome little place. Look at this, like a little tree house, and then down here you have like a little area of like fire pit and grill. Too cool. And then, dude, this is West Virginia, baby. It doesn't get better than this. So you guys stay tuned. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy this one. It's the first time I've done like an overnight trip on this channel, so I'm just really excited to get into it. So yeah, let's do it. We are back. We have made it to Dolly Sods. Let me go ahead and fix the camera. Yeah, so we have like this whole ridge line right here, and we are going to go all the way up there, and we're gonna go on top of those rocks and check some of that out. So yeah, just follow it and see what's happening. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my buddy Zach here, and he's gonna film some of his reaction too. So guys, stay tuned. Remember, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Ledge, and then there, if you go further back, looks pretty cool. Too close. You got some guys way up there. I can 100%.
Really cool. Dude, viewers are actually going to see you take the picture. So it's going to be like a really cool POV of like literally teaching someone absolutely nothing about a camera. He's going to take my picture. So we have on here, we're doing 1/320th of a second. We're not doing a lot of movement. We're just kind of like aiming and shooting. And I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to use one of these Sonys. This is the 7R. You'll see on a lot of my other videos. This is what I shoot with. 85 1.4. I got the 50 in there. We might break it out, we might not, I don't know. But let's try to get a new Instagram pic, huh? Okay, so Zach, go for it. Just, you got it, yeah? You got it, man, don't worry about it. How you want me to pose, man?
All right.
That's cool. Definitely shoot it vertical.
Vertical? Okay,
Yeah.
I got you. So, can you go out just a little bit more?
Hold on, let me fix your camera one more time.
Good.
Put the camera out in front of you. Bring it up. Bring it down. So shoot it like, really shoot it like that.
Okay. Like right in there? Yeah. Okay.
All right, what do you want me to do?
So go out just a little bit as you're comfortable, closer to the edge. Just catch that cinematic view right there. Yeah, I think right there is good. Right there is good. Just don't want you to fall over the side, then have to go call. Yeah. Yeah, you're right there, feet good.
Is it good?
Yeah, take a look.
Take the picture, man. It's got a little bit of quick trigger on it, so you can just like kind of like do it.
All right, you're moving.
I know. Well, you gotta move with me. So, like, you got this in the background, so you can just kind of like, you're good. Okay. So,
I didn't say that I was a fan of heights.
No.
Just so that's the sign. So there might be some hesitation for a minute.
So I'm gonna do some smoldering. You know what I mean? Like a boom. You know, get into it. But you gotta let me know. You gotta give the model confidence. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Is it good? Like, what do you think I should do? Like, look over this way.
Yeah, look off in the distance, right there. Right there. Perfect.
Is it though? Let me see. All right, guys. We're gonna see whether or not an amateur can do it, and we're gonna see.
Definitely.
Dude, I look homeless, but it's okay.
Wherever I say yes, highly an amateur, have next to zero skills.
First 4 pictures wasn't even in focus, so that is a huge W on that. Okay, so I gotta obviously fix my hair.
As in, not looking at the straight that way, but I want to catch this out of your face. So looking kind of out towards that rock there.
Okay, this one right here.
So yeah, so just right there close, so get the headline. Damn it, how do I use this thing? How do I put it back?
What do you mean? Is it off? Oh, you just do that. You just kind of touch it.
Oh, okay. All right, guys, I'm learning, so we're getting it.
All right, so you just want me like this, right?
Yeah. Stay right there. Haven't got it yet. Hang on, move in position. We'll get more of the rock and the skyline there.
Click it, fill that SD card up. That's good. You gotta enjoy it, man. And like, I love candid stuff. You know what I mean? Candid's good.
Work in progress. A lot of work in progress. He's almost there, guys. He's almost there. Look at him. He is putting in the effort for this shot, and it's gonna be fantastic. So, you know, he's doing it for you all. This is literally for you guys to see what it takes to be a professional photographer. He is on top of the world right now. So we're gonna get a lineup right here. We're gonna do It's looking good, but from my perspective, you look tiny. Is that kind of the angle we're good? Because like I'm catching it right there. I mean, it's really grabbing a lot of the environment around. Okay. All right, don't jump. All right, he's gonna make his adventure. So we're gonna walk over this way to see him make his way back up to me. All right, let's traverse these rocks. There he is. All right, guys, he's safe and sound. He's made it back.
Dude, you think you learned about negative space in those?
I think so. I think I got a better understanding. Let's take a look to see. I took probably like 100 or 200 pictures.
Dude, I am small. I did not think I was gonna be that small, bro. That's insane.
Think that'll work, or do I need to do a little bit of
good.
zoom? Or okay.
See, I like that one. Just kind of like looking off. Yeah, that works, man. Yeah. Is that good? What do you think? You feel the difference between that one?
I can see the difference on it. I'm still terrible, but I mean, I'm learning.
Yeah, bro. Well, I look like my mom in this one. Like, maybe the 3X wasn't a good choice.
I can see the difference. I don't know.
Yeah, so see, like with
Yes.
yours, see how I'm using like the bushes as a foreground.
Oh, look
Yeah.
at that. That's sweet.
Yeah, see how you're out of focus on this one?
Like that one right there. Scroll.
Jesus
That-
Christ.
Just ignore all of mine.
Okay. Yeah.
How do you, like, if you go back, keep going. The one I'm looking outward. No. That one.
Yeah.
I mean, how do you even,
So you just have
like,
a focal.
you picture that?
Yeah,
I mean,
then,
that is just,
and then if we want to do a wide one up right now,
okay.
then so let's do like, we can keep all those like pinks and stuff in there. We do like really good like streets right there. Using that bush right there, you know what I mean? Gives you a little bit of blur. It just makes it a little bit different.
Yeah, look at that.
And that. See, I know what I'm talking about, chat. You know what I mean? I want to keep on. I keep on thinking I'm live streaming.
Well, maybe that will be one of the next steps, is you do a live stream of it.
You literally cut me off from right here because, you know what I mean? Because one, if you have full body, it's going to be more slimming if you just did this. You know what I mean? Because Alright guys, so I think that's going to call it for this video. As you can see all the results and everything throughout that video, Zach did a great job, so huge shout out for him and stuff for coming on this trip. I think what we was going to do initially was going to do night photography, as I said in the intro, but as you can see in that time lapse right before this, it really kind of like the clouds, they just came out of nowhere. The weather up here, if you guys haven't done research on Dolly Sods, is a lot different than Western West Virginia. It's a whole different environment, ecosystem, and it has a lot of like tundra vibes to it. So you really never know what to expect. But as one of a good content creator, Parker Shepard, P Shep Media, he told me, you really just gotta go out there, shoot, create. Don't get into a mindset of thinking that you're gonna get the perfect video every single time you travel. It's not gonna happen. So just go out there, create. Let's see some content. And guys, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And appreciate you. Never stop creating.